that you can be tuned in to all my upcoming videos. Hi everyone, just wanted to come on real quick and let you know how I prep when I'm going to do a recipe. I make sure that all my ingredients are out that I need, so I don't have to go searching. I also make sure all my equipment is out. If I need a whisk, or I need a spoon, or I need a bowl, I try to make sure all of that's out ahead of time. That way I can just go through it, and that's what makes it go a little quicker, so you don't have to waste so much time running around your kitchen trying to find things. So as I was saying before, I have everything gathered that I'm going to need for my recipe that I'm going to prepare. And the recipe that I'm going to do, they're called butter pecan muffins. I can't wait to try these. This is a recipe I got from somewhere else. It's not my own, but I can't wait to make them. But as you can see, I have all my equipment out. All of my ingredients are out. And then it makes it so much easier and quicker if it's all at your disposal, that you don't have to go running around the kitchen. It's all right there for you. You get it done, get them in the oven, and then you start putting your stuff away if you want. I also have the oven preheating. You want to do that before you start prepping. That way you don't have to wait for the oven to be ready for you to put your baking. Also, after I'm done prepping and cooking these muffins, I'm also going to do stuffed shrimp. That's going to be a delicious meal. Pretty much prepare it the same way you do lasagna, but I'll show you in a little while how to do that too. And also, here's a little treat. I'm going to have a random drawing coming up for a $100 Visa gift card. So keep watching.